In this course, you will develop a machine learning model to recommend movie titles based on the user's viewing history, like how you get in Netflix. You will pre-process the data, using famous data visualization and processing techniques, and train the model to recommend movie titles. As part of the course, you will also learn about clustering in machine learning and k-nearest neighbors. We'll start by learning an introductory problem on predicting Boston house pricing, to understand the basic framework of machine learning. You will also learn to use various tools like Anaconda, Jupyter, Pandas, sklearn, NumPy, etc. The course is based on Sci-Fi Labs Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to building the project. A topic like machine learning can only be learned by building projects, and Sci-Fi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Get course access instantly upon enrollment. And you can complete the project within 1 week from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. Using Sci-Fi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.